PHP, a language synonymous with web development, has consistently evolved to meet modern demands. PHP 8.3, the latest release, introduces game-changing features. It enhances performance, security, and code clarity. PHP has powered countless websites since its inception. Its simplicity and versatility make it a developer favorite. PHP 8.3 rises to modern web development challenges. Stay tuned as we explore its new features. One of the most significant additions to PHP 8.3 is the introduction of typed class constants. This feature allows developers to specify the data type of a class constant, ensuring type safety and reducing the potential for errors. Previously, class constants could only hold scalar values. Now, with typed class constants, developers can enforce stricter type checking, leading to more robust and predictable code. This seemingly small change has profound implications for code maintainability and reliability. By explicitly defining the data type of a constant, developers minimize the risk of unexpected type errors during runtime. This leads to more predictable code behavior and simplifies the debugging process. Complementing typed class constants is the ability to dynamically fetch class constants. This powerful feature allows developers to retrieve the value of a class constant using a variable, making the code more flexible and adaptable. This dynamic fetching mechanism opens up new possibilities for metaprogramming and reflection in PHP. Imagine a scenario where you need to access a constant whose name is determined at runtime. Dynamic constant fetching makes this possible, allowing for more flexible and dynamic code structures. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with configurations, where constant names might be stored in variables or retrieved from external sources. PHP 8.3 introduces the hash override attribute, a valuable addition that enhances code clarity and prevents potential errors. This attribute allows developers to explicitly mark a method as overriding a method from a parent class. If the method doesn't actually override a parent method, the engine will issue a warning, helping to catch potential errors early in the development cycle. The hash override attribute acts as a safeguard against accidental errors that can occur when refactoring or extending classes. It ensures that the developer's intention is clear, and that any mismatch between the intended overridden method and the actual implementation is flagged by the engine. Furthermore, PHP 8.3 simplifies the process of deep cloning objects containing read-only properties. Previously, cloning an object with read-only properties required workarounds. Now the cloning process automatically handles read-only properties, making it more intuitive and less error-prone. This enhancement simplifies working with immutable data structures, contributing to cleaner and more maintainable code. This improvement streamlines the handling of objects with read-only properties. It ensures that the cloned object maintains the immutability characteristics of the original, preventing unintended modifications and promoting code consistency. Streamlining development. The JSON_validate function and other noteworthy enhancements. PHP 8.3 introduces the convenient JSON_validate function, streamlining the process of validating JSON data. This function provides a quick and efficient way to check if a string contains valid JSON, returning a Boolean value. This eliminates the need for manual validation using functions like JSON_decode, simplifying code and improving readability. The JSON_validate function proves particularly useful when dealing with external APIs or user input, where ensuring the validity of JSON data is crucial. It acts as a first line of defense against malformed JSON, preventing potential errors and security vulnerabilities. Beyond these core features, PHP 8.3 brings several other noteworthy enhancements. The randomizer classes have been improved, providing developers with more robust and cryptographically secure methods for generating random numbers. These enhancements are crucial for applications that rely on randomness, such as simulations, gaming, and cryptography. Command line interface enthusiasts will also appreciate the enhancements in PHP 8.3. The command line interface now supports colorful output, making it easier to parse information and identify errors. This improves the developer experience, especially when working with complex command line scripts. PHP 8.3, a testament to performance, security, and the future of web development. PHP 8.3 showcases significant enhancements in performance, security, and developer experience. Features like typed class constants and JSON_validate make the language more robust and efficient. These updates empower developers to build the future of the web. Performance optimizations lead to faster execution times and reduced resource consumption. Security features like the hash override attribute and enhanced randomizer methods protect sensitive data. PHP 8.3 is a statement of the language's commitment to staying relevant and secure.